This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lollock. Charming 3-bedroom brick ranch with spacious rooms on 1 acre lot. Beautiful family room addition with gas fireplace and French door to deck and large yard, perfect for entertaining. Living/dining room features open floor plan to kitchen and second gas fireplace. Ceiling fans in all rooms and all appliances included. Newer tin roof, large storage shed for all your gardening tools, paved driveway and wooded back lot for privacy. Complete this great family home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lollock at 865-342-4200.